Hello YouTubers, I am Gamerdeep Kavi and we have a very important news to discuss for all the content creators. Yeah, the all new YouTube Partner Program 2023. YouTube is actually lowering down the monetization requirements so that you can get early access to YouTube Partner Program and create your community and start earning early in your creative journey. Yeah, you heard me right, but there's a catch in this very good offer. Yep. So just relax, I am going to explain everything to you. Okay, so according to the new YouTube Partner Program, you need 500 subscribers, 3 valid public videos in the last 90 days and either 3000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 3 million valid public short videos in the last 90 days. So congrats if you actually meet the requirements, and the benefits you get are these. You get channel membership, super chat, super stickers and super thanks and stuff. In fact, if you actually meet this additional criteria of 1000 subscribers and either 4000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 10 million valid public short videos in the last 90 days, you will also have additional benefits including revenue sharing from ads in YouTube Premium. So this is all about the eligibility and benefits, but just wait a sec. You actually need to know something more before joining the expanded YouTube Partner Program. You need to follow the YouTube channel monetization policy. Have one active AdSense account that will link to your channel. If you don't already have one, be ready to set up in the YouTube Studio when applying. Make sure to only create a new AdSense account in the YouTube Studio. Yeah, and also have a channel based in Canada, Taiwan, South Korea, United Kingdom or the United States. Now you are all set to apply. You just need to sign in to YouTube Studio and then go to the Earn tab and click Apply Now. Accept the terms and then click Start to set up your AdSense account or just link your existing one. Once you are done, you just need to wait until your application gets reviewed. It usually takes around a month, so just be patient. If this video helps you and you want this type of videos in the future, make sure to subscribe my channel and so see you in my next video.